Hi friends, I'm Imran Ali and welcome back with another video. And this is a series of videos in which we are gonna discuss about 50 most important repeated general knowledge MCQs. And these MCQs are very important for every kind of competitive exams. So this is the part 1 of this series of videos, and here is our question number 1. The United Nations was founded on March 24, 1945, October 24, 1945, March 24, 1949 and October 24, 1950. And the right answer is option B, October 24, 1945. Question number 2. The motto of UNO is Life for all, it's your world, peace, love and peace. And the right answer is option B, it's your world. Question number 3. There are dash non-permanent members of the Security Council. 5, 7, 10, 15. And the right answer is option C, 10. Question number 4. The most powerful organ of the UNO is General Assembly, Security Council, Secretariat, International Court of Justice. And the right answer is option B, Security Council. Question number 5. Which country from the following is not the member of UNO? Vatican City, Afghanistan, North Korea, Vietnam. And the right answer is option A, Vatican City. Question number 6. The permanent secretariat of the OIC is located in Muscat, Doha, Jeddah, Riyadh. And the right answer is option C, Jeddah. Question number 7. Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC, has dash official languages 1, 2, 3, 4. And the right answer is option C, 3. Question number 8. OIC changed its name from Organization of the Islamic Conference to Organization of Islamic Cooperation in 1991, 1999, 2001, 2011. And the right answer is option D, 2011. Question number 9. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAARC, was established in the year December 8, 1984, December 8, 1985, December 8, 1986 and December 8, 1988. And the right answer of this question is option B, December 8, 1985. Question number 10. There are dash members of SAARC 5, 6, 7, 8. And the right answer is option D. There are 8 members of SAARC. Question number 11. The permanent secretariat of SAARC is located in Islamabad, Pakistan, New Delhi, India, Kathmandu, Nepal, Colombo, Sri Lanka. And the right answer is option C, Kathmandu, Nepal. Question number 12. The D8 is an organization of 8 dash countries: developed, developing, Asian, African. And the right answer is option B, developing. Question number 13. From which of the following is not the member of D8? India, Pakistan, Nigeria, Turkey. And the right answer is option A, India. Question number 14. The headquarters of Red Cross is located in New York, Washington, Geneva, Hague. And the right answer is option C, Geneva. Question number 15. The headquarters of Greenpeace International is located in option A, Geneva, option B, Lisbon, option C, Austria, and option D, Amsterdam. And the right answer is option D, Amsterdam. Question number 16. The headquarters of Amnesty International is located in Amsterdam, Geneva, London, Berlin. And the right answer is option C, London. Question number 17. The headquarters of Transparency International is located in Amsterdam, Geneva, London, Berlin. And the right answer is option D, Berlin. Question number 18. The headquarters of NATO is located in New York, Paris, Geneva, Brussels. And the right answer is option D. The headquarters of NATO is located in Brussels. Question number 19. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, was signed in the year 1945, 1947, 1949, 1951. And the right answer of this question is option C, 1949. Question number 20. The International Court of Justice is located in New York, Washington, Hague, Geneva. And the right answer of this question is option C, Hague. Question number 21. World Trade Organization was established in the year 1980, 1985, 1990 and 1995. And the right answer is option D, 1995. Question number 22. The European Union's working capital is in London, Lisbon, Austria, Brussels. And the right answer is option D, Brussels. Question number 23. Which from the following countries is not a member of European Union? Norway, Ireland, Malta, Estonia. And the right answer is option A, Norway. Question number 24. Which country on the map of the world appears as Longshu? Portugal, Italy, Greece, Hungary. And the right answer is option B, Italy. Question number 25. Which country is called Land of Thousand Islands? Malaysia, Indonesia, Ireland, Finland. And the right answer is option B, Indonesia. Question number 26. Which country is called the Land of Golden Fiber? United States, South Africa, Bangladesh, India. And the right answer is option C, Bangladesh. Question number 27. Which country is called the Land of Thousand Lakes? Indonesia, Finland, Iceland, Scotland. And the right answer is option B, Finland. Question number 28. Indonesia is an archipelago comprising approximately dash islands: 10,000, 12,000, 1,500, 15,000, 17,000, 1,500. And the right answer is option D, 17,500. Question number 29. The largest democratic country in the world is United States, United Kingdom, China, India. And the right answer is option D, India. Question number 30. The currency of Indonesia is Rupiah, Dinar, Ringgit, Rial. And the right answer is option A, Rupiah. Question number 31. The currency of Israel is Euro, Shekel, Forint, Kron. And the right answer is option B, Shekel. Question number 32. 3rd May is observed internationally as Labor Day, Environment Day, Earth Day, Press Freedom Day. And the right answer is option D, Press Freedom Day. Question number 33. 22nd April is observed internationally as Labor Day, Environment Day, Earth Day, Press Freedom Day. And the right answer is option C, Earth Day. Question number 34. In which year did man step out on the moon? 1969, 1970, 1972 and 1975. And the right answer is option A, 1969. Question number 35. The highest part of the earth is Mount Everest, K2, Norway, North Pole. And the right answer is option A, Mount Everest. Question number 36. The lowest part of the earth is Dead Sea, Mariana Trench, South Africa, South Pole. And the right answer is option A, Dead Sea. Question number 37. The deepest part of the earth is Dead Sea, Mariana Trench, South Africa, South Pole. And the right answer is option B, Mariana Trench. Question number 38. The world's highest mountain is in China, Pakistan, Nepal, India. And the right answer is option C, Nepal. Question number 39. The biggest island of the world is Iceland, Greenland, England, Sri Lanka. And the right answer is option B, Greenland. Question number 40. The largest ocean of the world is Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, none of these. And the right answer is option A, Pacific Ocean. Question number 41. Yellow Sea lies between America and Canada, England and France, China and Korea, Norway and Sweden. And the right answer is option C, China and Korea. Question number 42. Suez Canal is between Arabian Sea and Red Sea, Red Sea and North Sea, Mediterranean Sea and North Sea, Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. And the right answer is option D, Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Question number 43. The smallest sea of the world is Dead Sea, Red Sea, Baltic Sea, Arabian Sea. And the right answer is option C, Baltic Sea. Question number 44. World's famous bridge, Golden Gate, is in San Francisco, New Delhi, France, Sydney. And the right answer is option A, San Francisco. Question number 45. Vienna is the capital of Austria, Switzerland, Denmark, Canada. And the right answer is option A, Austria. Question number 46. The capital of Canada is Toronto, Ottawa, Montreal, Vancouver. And the right answer is option B, Ottawa. Question number 47. The capital of Czech Republic is Nicosia, Dublin, Bern, Prague. And the right answer is option D, Prague. Question number 48. AFP is the news agency of Germany, France, Syria, Yemen. And the right answer is option B, France. Question number 49. Antara is the news agency of Indonesia, Syria, Yemen, Jordan. And the right answer is option A, Indonesia. Question number 50. Emirates is an airline of Saudi Arabia, Qatar, UAE, Malaysia. And the right answer is option C, UAE. So that's all for today. Till next video, take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.